Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a new video. So this is going to be a stream as well. Right now I'm just going to be playing for some time. I think I'm going to progress with some of the Remembrance quests, but I also just kind of want to have some fun. So hope you can enjoy it. Leave a like if you liked it, share if you really enjoyed it, subscribe if you want to see more. And yeah, let's just play and have some fun. I think I finally figured out like the audio that I kind of want to have for this kind of setup because there, that should be better. Sorry. But yeah, like that way you can hear my voice properly, but also still get the actual gameplay music. If you ever want to see me like my face or like just say hi to me while I'm streaming, I'm on TikTok. I'll leave the stuff on the description. And yeah, let's just play and have some fun. Alright, let's see. Okay, TikTok's been done. And then copy link. Actually, yeah. Sorry, it's because I'm checking out, like, because I'm going to share the link. Alrighty. That's done. Alrighty. Okay, so I think we're good to go. If you're on TikTok, hi, welcome, Emu. Oh no. Um, yeah, let's just play and have some fun. Alrighty. Oh yeah, I think pretty soon I'm gonna do Hogwarts Legacy. I've been kind of like feeling like doing that. I've been doing the Executioner for a bit. I really want to just do the Raider. I haven't done him in a while, and he is really fun to actually play with and like use as a character. Our gauge feels moderately, room discount. So let me see if I can find any. Let me see, select effects. Because like the Raider, like he's usually really good when it comes to receiving effects. Or at least you want to make sure that you get his effects. Roaring restores HP while it's active. Raider damage taken while using character skills. No, yeah, okay. Character skills. Okay. Damn it, that's yellow. I think we do have a yellow one. Okay. So skill cooldown. Raider takes damage. Improves. Okay, that's actually good. Let me see. Improved poise near Totem Stella. I haven't figured out what Totem Stella is just yet, you know? Like, I'm usually pretty curious. Damage taken while using character skill improves its attack power and stamina. I don't think that can stack, and I feel like I'd use dexterity and holy attack more than I'll use gravitas. Actually, that's really good. No, okay. Let me get rid of that selection, and let's just see what we can find right now. Because I heard that there's a select effect. Starting bonus, okay. Let's see, magic changes compatible armaments, attack power while facing poison inflicted, attack power per rank increased. I'm actually going to try that because I've never really tried it. Okay, yeah, and then the magic pots are really useful. At least for the very first like couple of seconds, because you can use them against like the really weak NPCs and it shaves off some of the time. Improved initial standard attack. I heard that there's a new strat where you just use starting armament inflicts blood loss. HP restoration. I'm not gonna lie, a lot of my gameplay with Raider has to do with like HP restoration. Let me try that. And no, okay. Starting bonus, action effect, maybe. Character's cooldown, no. Post damage attacks, that's the one I'm thinking of. Actually, partial HP restoration. Okay, actually, yeah. Okay, this is a good setup. This is why I love the Raider. Like, wait, but that's the Executioner. Shit. Damn it, I need it to be green. Critical hits earn runes. Hey, welcome everybody. Hi Max. Our gauge filled moderately. Nearby foes. Improved Godslayer, treasure marked attacked. Improved greatsword attacks. HP restoration appeared great. Improved throw, gravity. Improved HP. Let me see our gauge. I really want that you know what? I think the Raider's weapon is classified as a great axe, so I would say I'm still safe. But let's give it a go. And you know what? He really is my main character. Like, I'm gonna have to change up his stuff. He deserves it. Kind of want to use. You know what? Let's go for that dawn skin. No, let's go for the darkness. That looks badass. Okay. Noise dresser. Let me see. Gaping jaw. I'm gonna go for the Driftward Knight, just to give it a go. See what's up with that. 85-15. But yeah, I'm just I've been, what the heck? Sorry, I just saw that black screen up there. What are you? Let's delete that. Let's delete, there we go. Because I got my camera working, like on the top right. I don't know what that black spot was. Hi, Kaden. Yeah, yesterday I went for like a really long walk to the beach. It was really fun. Okay, this is a great axe, yeah, okay. I did a lot of thinking, reflecting and stuff, but, you know, just stuff. But I would say it was necessary for me, and it helped me out in a lot of good ways. Oh shit. Oop. Oop. Cord, what the hell? Why the hell did I get a legendary right off the bat? Executioner Blade. Okay. Gain entry somewhere. Where the hell is that? I'm gonna have to Google that. I mean, if I have enough time. Let me see if I can pick up some quick runes off of these guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, Heal up. That should be enough to. Oh yeah, and I started writing poetry. Like, yeah, I think it's God. Were you guys talking about me? Like, oh God. Okay. Okay, buddy. Oh, okay, that's just that bleed procking. Okay, good. I was actually wondering, I'm like, where the hell is the bleed? And it's nice to know that it actually procced, okay. I'm wasting a little bit of time by fighting these guys, but because of the bleed, like, it's a lot easier. Oh God. Why did you use your ultimate? Because I was about to die. This is off to a great start, by the way. Alright. Okay. That's funny. Warthog's greatsword. Endure. I'm gonna see if I can find what do you call that? Nice. Oh God. Nice. These guys have such insane tracking, I swear. Boom. Nice. If you're looking for an Evergaol key, stone key, like you're never gonna find it there. You're only ever gonna find it in chests like this. It's part of the reason why I'm like coming over here, because I should technically receive a buff, a strength buff or a damage buff once I do an Evergaol. But I really want to get to one, actually kill the boss up here. I thought it was a golem, but since they haven't really reacted, I think it's not a golem, I think it's a crystallian. Oh, it's a golem. Says it might not be a golem, turns out it's a golem. Shit. Yeah, see, the knight's already gone for like 3. Or not knight 3, but like for like the first boss. Or like it's encroaching. So I really gotta hurry. Damn it. I missed my opportunity. I could have finished them off. Nice. Okay. There's that. Let's see what we got. Improved guard breaking. Less likely to be targeted. Actually, no. I want the Meneric bow. 1, because the bow goes pretty hard. And then 2, because the actual... what is that thing called? Okay. Taken down. Okay. Nice. You know what's funny, now that I think about it? Oh, I got another stone sword key. Nice. The actual, okay, I can get to that. Because I'm looking to see where the Churches of America are at. And I want to get at least another flask before the first night ends. Come Almost not quite. It's open.
Do you know if we have any water left?
Huh?
Do you know if we have any water left?
Honestly, I don't. I'm sorry. Alright. Okay, let me go do that Evergo. Actually, let me kill these guys. These should be fast. Keyword is should. Though bear in mind. I love how they make a sound every time you hit them. Improved attack power, reduced spell FK cost, critical hits, inflicts poison, less likely to be targeted, improved skill, executioner's grief. Yeah, I don't want any of this. No bueno. Okay, let me go to the Evergo. And then, if I have enough time, I'm gonna go pick up that, stone sword. Not the stone sword key, but the stone to upgrade my axe, because I want to upgrade my axe. Come on. Here's the one. Okay. Cool. Boom. Nice. Shit. So close. If I had dodged just a little bit later, I would have been fine. It's cool that if you look at their bodies, I feel like you could see the freaking yeah, if you look at their bodies, I feel like you could see their... Okay, you're about to die. So you can go down. Okay. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. Nice. Anything good? We got the runes. Nice. I think we have enough time. Ooh, and there's a Church of America on the way. Yeah, I should be able to get to this. And grab. I'm gonna have to check that out later. But I think it's just because I learned something, you know? I missed the scarab. And I got the crab instead. You know what, I should get these because that's going to help the bleed a lot later. Okay, Church America. I hesitate to say this, but no, I'm going to shut the fuck up because every single time, I swear, every single fucking time, it's going to be a golden run. Dies the most horrible death consistently, and honestly I already lost some time, you know, so I mean obviously that was on me because if I had dodged just a little bit better it would have been okay, but at the same time it's like you know. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. Come on, buddy. Give me another bleed. Nice. Okay. We are going to grab that. And smithing stone too, okay. I can buy the other one from the merchant pretty easily. Or at least I think I can. Yeah, I have enough for the merchant. But I have to hurry. Because he's about to get engulfed in the rain. There might be one over here. Yeah, I see him. Okay. I don't have to run all the way over there. Because the rain itself is encroaching really, really fast. And if I try to run to the other location I usually go to, like, I'm not gonna make it. Okay, let's grab that. Let's throw this down for now. We're gonna go ahead. Upgrade 1, 2. Okay, let me grab that. We got that. I don't have enough time to get more runes. Yeah, I don't have enough time. But let's go over here. Just in case. It's gonna be 1 and 2. 1 and 2. I like how I missed most of the first damage. Okay, I have to hurry. Ah, no. There should be a boss there, but we're gonna take care of it a little bit later. Oh, okay, it's the minor archer. I can take that down after this. Because the good thing is it's susceptible to bleed, so it makes it just a little bit more easier for me to take him down. I can really feel how it's not giving me the bonus runes. Or not the bonus rune, but the bonus HP. Okay, come on, come on. Ah, crap, it's gonna be the Deathblight people. It's a good thing I have the... One, I have the bleed and the damage potential to like knock them down. Nice. Okay. Of course. Run away. Take down a rat. Sorry. I'm just sneezing up a storm right now. I don't know why. Come on, die. Okay. Why didn't you give me anything? I need the Deathblight thing. I need it to survive. I genuinely do. Oh, thank God. It missed, and why do you keep on spamming that? Don't kill me, 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 don't kill me. Nice. Why the fuck are you running away? I'm gonna die. Please revive. I think I deserve one revive. Yes. I hate having to deal with this Asobi, I swear. He's so annoying. Because, like, you're fighting the blade itself, you're not really fighting anything else. I'm gonna give this a go. I'm not really there for counters, but I don't know. Like, sometimes I like changing my playstyle. You know what? Honestly, I just realized I panicked because I had 2 of the rejuvenating Bulbasaurs, so I had no need to like die like that. That's a first for me. Boom. You know, I was really hoping for a bleed proc at this point, but it doesn't seem like I'm getting it. Damn it, and I died. No bueno, no bueno. Alright, come on, buddy. I can tell, 1, I'm sleepy, so that is a thing. But then 2, oh shit, I thought he was gonna die, Okay. Why the fuck is that rat still alive? Like, he should have died with the enemy. He shouldn't be alive. Okay, whatever. What I mean by enemy, with the boss that I just killed. He should have died at that point. There is a... Okay, I can make it over there. It's gonna take some running time, but I can make it. Continuous HP, recovery, prayerful strike, and improved attack power when two-handing. Sacred Order. Holy Burst. Extra damage. Fuck it. Nice. It's open.
Can I ask a favor?
Huh? Yeah, what's up?
I just realized I have to eat all day.
Alright, well, I don't think anybody's watching, but if you happen to be watching, I'm going to go out for a water run, so this is more than likely going to be my last stream for tonight, just because I'm going to, you know, like, 1, I'm going to go pick up the water, and then 2, my little sister, she asked me to make her some food, so I'm going to, you know, go ahead and make that food. Reminds me like when we were kids, because like when we were kids, like I'd make her food. And it's sweet that she asked me. Die. The reason I picked up the shield is like I want to see what happens if I do a guard counter. And I should have plenty of okay. Okay. Oh god, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die. I didn't realize how low HP I had until I actually like looked at my HP and I was like, oh shit. Nice. Okay, and boost HP restoration. Yeah, I'm gonna go for that because it's actually pretty useful. And then we are close enough to this to pick up that key, or not the key, but the flask. And let me see, jump. I'm not used to using great axes, or not used to using great axes. I'm just not used to using axes with the Marauder. So let me see. And I'm actually gonna run to the castle. Who's the enemy? Ooh, sweet. That's good. That's very good for me. Alright, let's give it a go. Come on. Damn it, okay. Nice. Nice. Okay, now I can go to the bottom of the castle because I'm gonna be level 11, and hopefully, and this is keyword hopefully, because I'm gonna be level 11, I'll be able to take down the castle bottom floor boss, and if I'm fast enough, I'm gonna be able to go to the top floor and actually take down the boss up there. But let's see. I think I might have to get rid of the great axe. Don't get me wrong, it's a great weapon. Fuck, he moves a lot. Okay. Nice. The main issue with the Marauder is, generally speaking, he's very slow. So, like, actually getting anything to hit with him, especially on a boss like this, can be very difficult. Fuck. God damn it. Okay. Oh shit. Okay. But, yeah. Okay, let me see. Alright, come on. Hopefully I have enough time. Damn it, the jellyfish is angry. You know what? Let me go for that, because I keep on trying to do a certain playstyle, but because I'm kind of forcing it, like, it's not really working. And boom. You know, if you got stunned, that would be so amazing. Damn it, that's another death. You're dumb. I'm really grateful that right now it's not the, what's his faces? Those guys, the trolls, because those fucking basketball players would destroy me. I don't know if you guys have seen the memes, but there's like a meme where it's like, oh, like, I didn't know Michael Jordan was in the... Come on. Damn it. Okay, let's go. I'm not smiling, you're smiling. Nice. No, 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 no. Okay, that may explain stuff. Okay, Regal Scepter, Power of the Full Moon. No, I'm not gonna use that. But I am gonna use that. Let's see if I can take him down. Ah, shit. Shit. Okay, we can do this, we can do this. It's the Raider, I have plenty of health. I'm a little bit low level for the time of at this point, but I have a lot of flask and I have some 2 really good weapons that are really stun heavy. So I shouldn't have too much trouble taking down the boss. It's just that I wish I was like level 12 at least. And ideally with like a legendary weapon, but it took a little bit too long and I kept on dying too. So that ended up cutting up a lot of my time. Let's see. Already got the yeah. I got the warming stones because they're useful for I'm not leveling up, but yeah, I'm not gonna kill that right now. I can't kill that. Nice. Improve magic power. I'm not killing the wolves just to be a dick, but I'm trying to see if I can get more runes to make it to level 12. But, because I was hoping to kill the bosses here. That's not gonna happen, because, alright. And then that. And I don't really see anything, so we're gonna get that. Yeah, okay, that's good enough for now. Got some warming stones. I got a revive. I should be able to go ahead and take this down. Of fucking course. I'm not gonna lie, that was an accident hitting the fucking dragon like that. It's gonna be Ancient Dragon Lord right now, the one who's gonna be summoned for the boss fight. Oh shit. You know, if I don't die from this motherfucker. Damn it. I should have just straight up attacked. Of course. Okay. There's that. Oh, it's the Nameless King. Okay, that's not so bad. And I missed. Nice. Very nice. Alright, buddy, come here. Boom. Shit. This is why sometimes I'm like, just shut the fuck up, don't say it's easy, because then you fucking end up getting your butt kicked, like right now. I think he's more of a shit, okay. Damn it. Okay. I died. Yeah, it's over. It's over. Okay, I need to go pick up water for some noodles. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time, okay? I might play some more later, so take care. Bye. I got one like. That's so sweet.